Alright, so today I'll be walking you guys through on how I made my very first charcuterie board, and I'll show you guys how you can do it yourself as well. So I picked up this cherry tree board. It's around 12 feet and I got it for around 20 bucks, and so we'll be using this end. So the dimensions are around 20-25 inches long and maybe like 9 inches wide. So going into this project, I didn't realize how much sanding you are going to have to do, but it's going to be a lot. Now, I'm starting off with 80 grit sandpaper and working my way up 150 to 220. I'll be mixing some resin to fill in all of the cracks and knots on the board. Alright, so the resin has just finished and it's looking pretty well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just sand off the next layer. Alright, we're almost done. Next thing we've got to do is attach our handles. Now I'm going to cover up the screw holes on the back side using some more resin. And finally, just finishing off with some 220 grit sandpaper on both sides to smooth it out. Now finally, my favorite part of the process, putting on the finishing oil. I'm using some food grade oil, and just watch as the grain finally pops out. There you have it, the finished charcuterie board made by a very unexperienced person. Now, let me know if you guys have any tips and tricks or some other project ideas.